FaceTime. First time I had dreams of getting next to you. The second time I had to direct message you. I kept it cool, I knew you cause I was respectable. Caught a vibe when we was chillin', nothing shot to keep playing with the kid. Think I'm playing, no I'm kidding. Probably think I wasn't with it. Entertaining other bitches. Told you, girl, you be killing them right from the beginning.
Alright, peace family. Kareem, aka K-Mac, back again with another video. Definitely appreciate you guys continuing with me. Today we on day number 12, and that music playing in the beginning, that's my brother's music, South Side City, C-I-T-I, and you can find that on SoundCloud if you like that that intro there. Alright, and so what we're doing today, as I said, I did miss yesterday. I'm gonna keep it 100. I felt bad, but I also was drained. I just couldn't, so I'm gonna make 2 videos today. All right, so what we're doing today, as we can see, it's the 90-day challenge, day 12, and today we're talking about the Facebook Pixel, how to improve your sales and conversion in 2019. All right, so first, Facebook Pixel, what is it? Pixel is a piece of code added to a website, blog, landing page, etc. that helps track who visits your site. All right, also a pixel. Why do I need Facebook Pixel, right? So the Pixel helps you to create more targeted ads, which is a custom audience. So when you run ads on Facebook, you can have Facebook match the people who already visited your site, match to others that have similar interests, right? So if you have a small group of people visit your site, they'll take that sample and create a larger audience based on the sample you provided, right? So that's excellent. They do a lot of surveys like that. All right, and how do I add the Facebook Pixel to my site? First, you will need a Facebook business account. Second, you'll want to add the Facebook Pixel helper to your Chrome browser. This will let you know that your Pixel is working properly. And then third, you'll copy and paste the code provided onto your website, landing page, blog, etc. All right, so let's take a brief look at how we do this. All right, guys, so we're here on my Facebook Business Manager page. All right, so while we're on the Facebook Business Manager page, let's first thing we're gonna do is go up here in the search engine. There's a lot of ways to do it. We can come here to the homework, to the little menu, the business menu. Right, we can click there, and then we can find pixels right here, or we could just type pixels in the search bar. Up to us. So we'll just wait for this to load. As I said, again, the importance of this is that this allows us to track. We can take a small sample of visitors. So this is important. Just think about if you just started, you may not have a whole lot of traffic. So you can add a pixel, and then this allows you to track those who visit your site, and then Facebook will match it to similar people on Facebook who have an interest similar to those who visited the site. All right, just waiting for this to load. Let's see here. Sorry, guys. I think this recording service slows down the internet a little bit. Just wait. And while that's loading, also just bear with me a moment. All right, guys. Thank you. So we got everything together. So you come to this page. This is the Events Manager page. Within your Facebook ads account. It's free to start, right? So you just go to facebook.com/business, and then you'll create a Facebook account. You do have to have a personal account where you can link it, but you can call the business account by a different name. All right, so mine's is Reboot Daily, right? So you're able to do that. All right, bam. So this is the pixel for, I actually have more than one. It's just when I got started, I was confused. Like I said, I do everything in one shot. I don't have anything to hide because I want y'all to be able to just keep moving forward. So, a little bit. So finally, I got this one is stuck with it. So you see, I have different, pixel numbers. So And what it shows again, we can see the pixel over the last 7 days shows 66 hits to my site. That's within 7 days. And we can go back as far as 30 and we can see 915 over a 30-day period, right? So we see that there. And then also remember, so this is what this is the infill or the analytics that the pixel provides back, right? Your data sources. So this is showing everywhere where I put this pixel ID, every site. These are all of the hits I got back, 915 within the 30-day period, which was really less because this didn't start until I started December 12th. All right, we can see there December 12th right there. All right, so what's that? 19 and 3, 22 days, 915 hits. So now I can take this and create, you see it says custom conversions. I'm not going to do that now. That's for another time, but you'll take this and create a whole audience. Facebook will take that sample and find up to 1 million, 2 million, or 3 million people with similar interests. And then when you start running ads, it'll hit that. So I'm letting this brew a little bit more before I go there. All right. And then also I mentioned here, right? So it says why do Facebook Pixel helps that. So the Facebook business account, then it says second, you'll want to add the Facebook Pixel helper. All right. And so the Pixel helper is this here. You see this right here? That's letting you know that, now this is not mine, this is actual Facebook's Pixel. But because I have that Pixel helper, I can go to any website and see if someone has a pixel on a website. So that'll help you in a lot of other things. If you do social media marketing, if you do a digital ad agency, you could tell whatever the local business owner, look, your website doesn't have a pixel, so your website is not able to track who's visited, so you can't retarget them, right? That's powerful. So if you know how to just add that little pixel helper, then that's actually another notch under your belt. All right. And then just here now also let me show you here where it says the create ad, right? Where it says the create ad, this is where we get our code from. I'm going to show you where to get the code now. Just letting this load. And this will be the last part. As I said, we have to copy the code. And this very simple. I mean, if you could copy and paste, then you could do this. All right, let's see. You know what, guys? For some particular reason, Facebook, more than the other sites that I've recognized, when I'm recording, it takes longer to load. So I'm just going to do a quick pause and I'll come right back. All right, guys, I apologize. I said create ad. It's not create ad. It's add data source, right? So Facebook Pixel it's not create ad. It's add data source, which means just say if you have one website, that's one data source, but later you add another website, you have two websites, you'll come here to add data source, so you'll be able to get the pixel again and then add it on the new website that you created. All right, so pixel name, I'm just gonna script this right now, so I'm just gonna hit create. You could add a website there. You can add the name of your website or the link to the website in that bar that was there. All right, it's loading. All right, and so it says use integration, manually install email instructions to a developer. Now, trust me, if you watching this video, you'll be able to do it. All right, so we click manually install code yourself. And I'm going to show you guys how to add this to the 25 1-up business opportunity. So even if you don't get a whole bunch of leads at first or sales, what you'll do is you will come here. You see the second one, it says copy the entire pixel code and paste in your website header. You'll follow these directions. You could pause and read that, or come back and read it, or message me and I'll walk you through it. And we just hit right here. See, even when I hover over it, it automatically says copy code to clipboard. So the whole thing copies automatically. Bam, copied. We can exit that out. I'm gonna go here to the members area of $25 1-up, and under contacts, right, it says tracking pixel. Click tracking pixel. Oh man, hold on, let me re-enter this. All right, bam, thank you guys. All right, so it tells you right here, step 1, create tracking pixel to follow instructions below. So we're doing a Facebook tracking pixel. All right, and then we simply enter it here. Now, as you can see, Mod is already in here. All right, so I've already done this. So what you would do is, let me see, if I just go here, highlight it, I'm just gonna paste it again. Paste is the same thing, right? And then we simply hit save tracking pixel. And you see here it says $25 1-up saved. Okay, and guys, that's it. Really as simple as that. That was, as I said, what I was gonna go over yesterday, but I was dead. It wasn't within my energy level to do it. So I'm gonna do two videos today. So I definitely do appreciate it, guys. Please do me a favor. Can you like and subscribe to the channel, please? I haven't been asking that, but you know, if you find it helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. We'll do videos like this in the future, and see you guys later today for day 13, and then tomorrow for day 14. All right, this is Kareem, aka K Max, signing out. Peace.